Following video, Nicole Chicas, Wilber Hernandez, and I, Jasmine Santamaria, will explain the process required to develop the arithmetic average and the weighted average. First, we will start with the next example. For 30 people to pick a number from 1 to 10, their chosen numbers are 10, 8, 5, 1, 2, 7, 6, 5, 3, 7, 9, 10, 9, 8, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 5, 10, 9, 2, 3, 10, 6, 1, 6, 4, 2. Which is the arithmetic average? Step 1. Order the data given by the problem. Step 2. Make a chart with the numbers.
Good morning. The third step is to add each number, in this case, the number from 1 to 10 that the third person chose. Well, the result is 161. And the fourth step is to divide the result of the adds between the quantity of the numbers. In this case, 161 between 30. The result will be 5.4.
So right now we're going to explain the fifth step to calculate the arithmetic average. It is the result given from the previous operation. It's 5.4. In the sixth step, they ask us to answer the questions made in the problem. The question was, which number is the arithmetic average? And we know that the answer is 5.4. Finally, in our conclusions, we will write the formula we use to calculate the arithmetic average, which consists in add every single quantity, like quantity 1 plus quantity 2 plus quantity 3 until infinite, and the result we must divide it between the total of the data. In this case, we divide the result between the 30 numbers chosen, and that gives us our 5.4. this is the end of the explanation for the arithmetic average. So right now we're going to explain the weighted average, and we're going to use the fellow example to resolve this exercise. A student obtained the following grades in his daily activities: 10 in the first short sum, 7 in his second short sum, 9 in the group activity, and 8 in the final exam, which is his final grade. So we know that the first short sum, it was pondered 20%, the second one 15%, the group activity 35%, and the final exam 30%. So the first step is to take away the percent symbol. To do that, we are going to divide every single activity between 100. This equals 0.50. 20 between 100 equals 0.20. 30 between 100 equals 0.30. O is another way to call the 0 in English. 35% between 100 equals 0.35. And here we have finished the first step in order to answer the question, which is the final grade from this student.
Step 2. Now, in the second step, we'll multiply the amount we got in decimals by the value of the qualifications. Third step. The third step is to add the previous results of the multiplications. That's the weighted average.
Good morning. The fourth step is answering the question of the problem. The final qualification this student had was 8.6. Finally, our conclusion, the formulation we used for the weighted average is:
Do you want some?